आता खबर विस्तारान. राज्यपालांनी एक तर सभागृहात समन्स धाडचो नाजाल्यार विधानसभा बरखास्त करची अशी मागणी काँग्रेसीन केल्या. आरडीएक्स गोहातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
Article 174 of the Constitution mandates the governor to call the assembly session within 6 months of the last date of sitting of the assembly session. And the Article 174 is very clear. The language which is used is shall, not may. The present government knew very well about this situation. They cannot take shelter under the Election Code of Conduct. The case law, because today I am told it is said that there is a case law. The case law is very, very crystal clear. In fact, I would like to quote the Supreme Court in the matter of special reference number 1/2002, quoted in 2002, 8 SCC 237, which is otherwise known as Gujarat reference, has held that Article 174 is mandatory and only when the state assembly is dissolved and the house is kept under suspended animation in exercise of powers under Article 356 of the Constitution that the mandate of Section 174 cannot be insisted. I'll make it short because our leader of opposition also is going to talk about it. It is now up to the governor. Governor is the custodian of the Constitution of India. Governor is duty bound to hold and uphold the Constitution and the provisions under the Constitution. Governor is supposed to ensure that the rule of law is followed. He is duty bound to exercise his discretion either to summon the house or to dissolve the house if no summoning is done. And Congress party demands that the governor should uphold the constitutional mandate and not act as the rubber stamp of the government if he or she fails in her duty.
But I don't see for a small tiny state like Goa to have 1 month for the government servants to vote and the whole state has voted within 1 day. They may be on any election duty. This duty is practically over. And now the ballot boxes, wherever they are, the votes have been collected. Or some people are collecting these votes and putting them in the boxes, which is not fair. So we have brought it to the notice of the returning officers also that every individual who brings his vote in an envelope It is he who should sign. But we have found that some people bring 4 votes and put them in the box. This has happened in my constituency. I think this will not be fair. If one man collects all the votes, I don't know how he votes, because it's supposed to be a secret ballot.